Farm animals are essential in agriculture for food, work, and companionship, providing milk, meat, eggs, and help with farm duties. We group them by their main use: dairy, work, guard, and meat animals, each playing a unique role in farm life. Dairy animals like cows, goats, and sheep provide nutritious milk, which is turned into cheese, butter, and yogurt. Work animals such as donkeys, oxen, camels, and horses assist in farming tasks like plowing fields and transporting goods. Guard animals protect against threats, with dogs, geese, and donkeys playing key roles in safeguarding farms and livestock. Meat animals like poultry, pigs, and cattle are vital for protein, energy, and economic support through sales. Many farm animals can serve multiple purposes, providing farmers with flexibility based on their needs.